Unity. Unity in variety is the plan of creation. Unity is only the thing that exists. So unity is behind of all. All reasoning ends only in finding that unity. Happiness belongs to him who knows this oneness. Oneness is the secret of everything. So, there are only two options. Either you can exist here just as a piece of creation, or you can exist here as the very source of creation. If anyone wants to be a piece of creation, he would never be peaceful. If anyone becomes a source of creation, he would never be sorrowful. The infinite oneness of the soul is the eternal sanction of all morality. This oneness is rational of all ethics and all spirituality.